Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to show you how I made viral UGC style ads using AI completely free in 2026. No camera, no actors, no expensive tools, no paid subscriptions. If you've seen those short ads on TikTok, Instagram or Facebook where it looks like a real person is talking about a product, that's called UGC ads. Today I will show you exactly how to create those using AI, step by step, even if you are a beginner. Now, understand what a viral UGC ad really is. Before tools, let's understand this clearly. A viral UGC ad is short, 10 to 40 seconds, looks like it's filmed on a phone, feels real, not polished, focuses on one problem, shows one solution. It does not look like a commercial. You have a fancy effect or sound scripted. The more quote unquote imperfected it looks, the better it performs. Now, choose the right product, very important. Not every product works. Good UGC products solve a clear problem, easy to explain in one sentence, visual, meaning you can show it. Examples: skincare, fitness gadgets, home tools, beauty products. Bad products would be complicated software, boring services, anything hard to explain fast. One product only, don't overthink. Now, write a simple viral script using a free AI. Let's create the ad script. You don't need to write it yourself. Use ChatGPT, the free version, right? Here's an example. Write a short UGC ad script for TikTok. Casual tone, one problem, one solution, emotional hook. A good UGC script structure should have a hook in the first 3 seconds, problem, solution, and result at the end, right? And of course, soft call to action. If here's an example, right? Be honest. Have you ever stared at your screen knowing you should post, but your brain is just empty? And here's the problem. I kept missing days, losing reach, feeling like the algorithm was ghosting me. Not lazy, just stuck. And then I started using this. Quick cut, show product, ad casually, no hard sell. It literally tells me what to post, how to say it, and when. Emotional payoff, now I post without overthinking, and my views are finally moving again. And soft call to action, if posting feels heavier than it should, yeah, try this. Alright? Okay? Simple, human, real. And turn the script into a real AI person, right? Now the magic part here begins. Use a free AI avatar or AI voice tools, right? Free options change over time, but a concept stays. Free AI avatar demos, free text or free AI text-to-speech tools, or free talking head generators. What matters is natural voice, casual tone, no robotic emotion. Choose a voice that sounds like a TikTok creator, not a narrator or a robot. Okay, and make it look like a real UGC. It's very important. This is where most beginners fail. To make it look real, use a vertical video like 9:16, no studio background, simple room or neutral background. Slight imperfections are good. Do not add cinematic music, transitions everywhere, or over edit. UGC should look like someone turned on their phone and talked. Okay, and add product visuals the free way. Now show the product, right? Here's an options: product images, short clips from suppliers, screenshots, simple animations. You can overlay product images, cut between face plus product, keep it simple. People must see the product clearly, and edit everything using free tools like CapCut, right? CapCut or Canva, free or browser-based editors. And what to add? You can add auto captions, very important, big readable text, emojis, light use. What to avoid? A fancy font, small text, or too many effects. Captions equals more watch time. And make it viral friendly, right? Before posting, check this. Ask yourself, does the hook hit in 3 seconds? Is it easy to understand with no sound? Does it feel real? Or would I stop scrolling? If not, fix the hook. And where to post for free traffic? Post the same video on TikTok, Instagram Reels, YouTube Shorts, Facebook Reels. One video, multiple platforms. Consistency beats perfection. Why this works in 2026? In 2026, people trust people, not brands. AI is normal. Authentic beat professional. Short form video dominates. UGC ads work because they feel honest. AI just helps you scale it for free, right? Avoid over editing, long intros, sounding like an ad, trying to be perfect, or giving up after 2 videos. Most viral ads look bad, and that's why they work. You don't need a camera or face, money, or experience. You just need one product, one script, one free AI tool, consistent posting. That's it, right? If you like the video, don't forget to share with your friends, subscribe, and comment UGC below to know that you reached to the end of this video. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the upcoming videos, obviously. So, yeah, peace.